All right, let's rock and roll. Nice. I'm Olivia. I feel glamorous this morning. Hello and welcome. I'm Olivia, the goddess of safety. To receive credit... Remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Should I delete that tweet? Well, that could have gotten better. In accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Okay. I know, bro. Sometimes I feel like I look dead inside. I'm trying to film, people. Killing my vibe here. Okay. I'm evil. Yeah, I'm evil. Or cumulative MSI. Oh, man, what a sentence. They hate me. They hate me. Okay. I don't want to film anymore. I don't want to anymore. What you're going to want to do is curl up into a ball. If you're trapped under a rock, so sorry. And they probably are like, oh my God, when is she going to shut up? Never is the answer. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap. That's so terrible. However, you sat through much, much worse. GotSafety.com is the premier safety company for answers on OSHA compliance. For more information and training resources, click the subscribe button and receive notifications when we share new content. Thanks for watching.